I'll make this video short because I do want you to watch that second, the Brain Pop video, um, to just again build your understanding of the American Revolution, right? You've read some text about it. Now you're going to watch a video about it to again just help build your understanding. So if you notice, we didn't do a compare and contrast this week because I wanted to put this reflection in just to really help you think about what you've been reading this week. So tell me what you learned about how conflict shapes a society. That was the question you answered at the beginning of the unit. Hopefully you have some more information. So remember, conflict is like fighting or problems. So how does that affect people? How does that affect a town or a city or a state or a country? How do disagreements and tensions and problems shape a society? What British actions led to conflict in the colonies? So again, just, I know you've written about this, but just tell me again, what are some of the things that led to the conflict? And then what was the result of this conflict? So what happened because they had these problems and the fighting and the tensions? Okay, I'm more than happy to help you out with this. Make sure you take a look at the Brain Pop video and then really give some good thought in answering those questions. Good luck.